in a little snack bowl. I pop one in and I'm on a roll. Pink is the flower that blooms so wide. I sniff and dance with joy inside. Brown is the bear by the old tree swing. He gives a wave, what a cozy thing. Colors, colors everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Sing along now, don't be shy. Let's learn colors, you and I. Black is the night when the stars appear. I count them all with a happy cheer. White is the snow as it floats from above. I catch a flake and laugh with love. Gray is the elephant, big and kind. He walks beside me, gentle and blind. Rainbow colors fill the sky. Red, blue, green, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors in the air. Look around, it's everywhere. Now you know that you did so well. Which one's your favorite? Can you tell?